This is literally the size of like
I know.
face.
I feel good. I feel good.
Happy
Perfect.
Wow. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long. It's only been like 5 days. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then clean. Got an espresso. It's New Year's Eve. Hi. I just woke up. It's 11. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start cleaning in like 20 minutes so I can fully wake up. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. I'm just gonna chill on TikTok for like 20 minutes and then I'll go start cleaning because my grandpa and my great grandparents are coming for New Year's. That's the only people that's coming, and they actually got tested and tested negative, so they're good to come. How is my other sock? Look, it feels more floofy than it looks.
Oh, but it's still floofy. Okay, I'm gonna clean the whole house and watch Pretty Little Liars. Okay, so I did the dishes, but I'm gonna leave the towel here because I'm gonna do these little bit of dishes. I'm actually gonna clean the kitchen before I do the dishes so that all the dishes from the kitchen are in here. I'm gonna do a transition from this counter. It's clean. I'm leaving this here because my mom likes to keep it on warm, and when you cover it, it might go bad. So I'm not trying to risk that. My cousin just told me I'm straighter than a wet noodle. Shit. I think I'm gonna have one of these just because I've never tried these ones. These two. This one's huge, but I'm only drinking it, so I'm just gonna have this shot of espresso. Here's the new one. It's not too bad. Okay, these two counters aren't really that dirty, but they're dirty, so. Yep. They had flip phones, you know. This one's not that dirty either. Right now I'm gonna clean the stove. It's really not that dirty. My mom just dropped an egg, like yesterday, so. Yay. You look stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna do these dishes. There really isn't that many. It's because I threw all of the pots in here, like actually, so. They're all done. Okay, so I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna drink this and chill for like 20, 30 minutes. I just talked that whole time and wasn't recording. Okay, so I'm gonna clean the nook table. I was going to clean the bathroom, but my mom's showering. And I feel like this entire vlog is cleaning, which I kind of hate, but let me show you the nook table. It's just like random crap. Those are bags that need to be put in the car, you know. Okay, it's clean. That's just what we're using, and this is my grandma's. This isn't the prettiest table, so we're not going to talk about it.
Did you find out?
I've been meaning to ask you. You're right. Oh, you wouldn't be if you saw this skin down that pool every week.
Okay, does this look even?
Oh, no. Don't look at me.
I said, put her paw off me. She's like,
Okay, I'm going to clean this. Do you like my outfit? Thank you. I'm going to clean this. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to clean up my room and make my bed, and then I'm going to clean the baby's room up with Pumbaa, like not by myself, but with Pumbaa. And then I don't know. This is my room. It's not that messy, but it's just literally these fell. They just fell off. Look, there's all the tape. They just fell. All of them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. But this is my room right now. It's not really that dirty. These are clean clothes. But yeah, I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna watch Pretty Little Liars. Okay, so my bed is made. I cleaned all this up. I vacuumed. Still have to put that away. So I'm going to put these clothes away and then clean with Pumbaa. So I'm gonna make myself a salad with a veggie patty in it. Oh my god! She moved her furry hand beneath my hand and I screamed so loud. Oh my god! And then I realized it was me. This is my salad. I love salads right now. So it just has lettuce, cheese, buffalo patty, like veggie patty, and croutons. I mixed it. It's ugly. I hate Sean. School make me so uncomfortable. It's just not normal anymore. Like, there's so many people and they're going to parties and it's just so weird. Their room. Not what I expected. Okay, I'm exposing the babies.
Moving awesome.
So he's gonna be
Okay, so I forgot to plug in the vacuum, so it's still dirty. I'm gonna vacuum it after. But it's clean now. Finally. Those are just their outfits for right now. They're Celine's showering. Oh, and we actually like organized this. I didn't show you this before.
How did you know that I tried to trip you?
Because I'm not stupid. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna take all of my vitamins because I haven't taken them today. So here's just general vitamins. Vitamin C and vitamin D. In about like 20-30 minutes, I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna walk the house again. You're gonna walk with me. So here's my room. Clean, that's just my shower stuff. I said put the cake in here, Jesus. Okay, so here's the baby's room. I still need a vacuum, but it's clean. Bathroom, clean. I took out the trash. Pumbaa's in the process of cleaning her room. She's been clothes. Then I'm gonna do those dishes. This is clean. I just took out the kitchen trash. That's clean. Actually gonna go shower right now and then I'm gonna do the dishes so that there's still warm water for me, and if there isn't for the dishes, who cares? I just lit my candle. This is one of my favorites right now. The shower. I don't think I'm gonna put anything in my hair. I'm just gonna brush it down. I'll show you my outfit right now. Ugh. My basic outfit. Okay, it's just a plain black shirt with my 2 necklaces and some gray pants, sweats, and then just some socks. I'm not leaving, so I'm probably, if I do wear shoes, I'll just put those on. But yeah, I smell good. Okay, so my mom said she'll do the dishes if I cut the potatoes. So I'm gonna cut these this is literally the size of like
I know.
my face.
That one was so fun to peel.
Was it? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is golden quinoa with
The bacon and egg.
Look. Scotch on the rocks.
I have a ship. I can bring you there and back with a handsome reward. You live free of worry.
I'm alright, and I'm not in this place like special advice in the whole world.
He's not a whole world.
I'm gonna do my makeup. Yay! I love eyeliner again.
It's possible.
I feel good. I feel good.
Can I cook it?
If you have to.
Oh.
Hey.
I just touched it. I want
Yeah.
I went to eat pie, like chocolate cream pie, and it was too soft. It was like wet. Also, I don't think I said this at all, but my mom was paying me to clean the house just because literally paid me $30, so yeah. I don't clean the house by myself all the time. Normally we do it together, and she did do stuff today. Like, it literally wasn't all just me. She did dishes, she cooked, she cleaned her whole room. You know, I don't know. A lot of people think that I do everything, and
that's not the case.
Hi. 2 hours. I'm drinking coffee because I'm so tired.
I'm a window shop online.
Second plate.
It's really not that much, it just looks like it. Hi, Bean. It is freezing in my room. I don't know why, but Bean loves the cold for some reason. So here she is. But if I touch her, she'll leave, so I can't even pet her. Bean has me. Bean has me. Ugh, 11:15, less than an hour.
What are we doing? Is my turn?
Yeah, it's your turn. Okay.
Yellow?
I care.
There should be enough.
Daddy has a
Okay, watch.
You look like you're
So
stuck.
pass
No, it doesn't.
three that way.
What?
3 more.
Okay.
3 more. Sorry. And-
Oh, like mine.
oh, you're back in.
Silly. Oh, wait, no.
Don't eat it yet.
2 minutes.
Grandpa, did you eat a grape?
It's fine, Sonia.
Yo, what happened?
Oh.
Pone que esos son para enero, febrero, una para cada mes.
Oh, geez. How's
Ya
that
te
supposed
ya
to
te
work?
jodiste
Like,
dinero.
1 0.
9, 8,
Oh.
7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, perfect.
No.
Yeah, we'll just bump.
Time for hugs.
That's all you get. That's all you get. That's all you get. And fist bump. Oh, sorry, she's done.
Don't choke.
Up in the air. You know, people do it like this too.
Chiquita.
Elbow bump. My mom used to play it. I'm sorry. That's what you get.
Yeah, amigo.
No, she said it right, no?
No, no se lo dice. Se lo dice ella, amiga.
I won. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. This vlog was pretty dumb, but I'm gonna upload it because I can. I basically cleaned and we just chilled. We played. I won $9. I hope you guys all had an amazing New Year's and stayed safe and didn't go to a party or something. I hope, for the love of God. Let's hope 2021 is better than 2020 because we did not have a good year. Let's hope 2021 is better. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.